Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you an update on Render, okay? One of the leaders in the AI space in crypto here. We're going to be taking this, we're going to be breaking this down from a fundamental perspective, and then also looking at this from a technical analysis perspective, looking at all the different aspects of this asset. I'm not going to keep you guys too long here, just going to get straight into this lovely video, okay? So Render right now is currently priced at $6, which we will get into very, very shortly. Just a little bit about what the coin is for you newer traders out there. This is basically a GPU distribution network, okay? It's very, very unique in itself, and they basically make it possible for people to leverage their GPU power on a decentralized network, okay, which is just ridiculous, okay? Welcome to the Render Network, the world's first decentralized GPU rendering platform designed to supercharge your creative workflow. We harness idle GPU power worldwide, providing you with near limitless rendering capacity at a fraction of the usual cost. Okay, so really, really cool concept there. And you can obviously see that they've been doing very, very well in the AI space here for quite a while. We all-time high'd back in March here at around $12.34 per coin, with a market cap of roughly $4.7 billion. Currently priced at around $3.12 billion market cap, which is still underpriced in my opinion, and we will go into a bit more details as to what we can potentially expect here for the next coming weeks and months here for this asset. But you can see here the last 7 days it has done remarkably well, with a gain of around 36% from low to high here, still trending up quite nicely here, and this is basically due to Bitcoin smashing all-time highs and bringing the whole of the market up with it. Now, one thing that I did want to cover quickly is Bitcoin dominance, guys. Bitcoin dominance is peaking very, very strongly here. If you are new to Bitcoin dominance, basically it shows how much dominance Bitcoin has over the altcoins out there. And this has taken a dip recently, giving altcoins a chance to sort of behave and move on their own. For example, Render today is actually behaving unlike the other coins in the market, okay? It's actually up 6.71% here on the chart. Maybe it's a little bit different here on CMC. No, 10% over on CMC there. So yeah, it is behaving differently compared to the rest of the market right now, which is a good sign. And let's look at sort of a target price for this right now. So potentially looking for around a 7% move to the upside here, okay? I know it's an unfavorable decision, but you can see here the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band usually causes us a bit of resistance here. But if we look at the 4-hour here, over on the 4-hour time frame, you can see we've claimed it, we've tested it with a bullish hammer candlestick chart pattern there, and you can see the support is actually forming quite nicely. Now, the next level for that here on the macro, for us to sort of take a break to the upside, potentially, obviously not financial advice, you know, all that good stuff, would just simply be this level of resistance here. You can see this horizontal has caused us a little bit of a mishap multiple times here for these clean rejections. To get there today, it's around a 7.27% gain, which I don't think is too unreasonable here for Render, considering it's rallying up quite nicely here, and it does look bullish overall. If we're looking at the volume for Render, it's actually up 200% here in the last day, 200%, which poses the question here that there is still room for a nice little move to the upside here. It's only 7%, but it's still a very, very nice position. Looks quite clean in my opinion. There is resistance along the way. Let's not be naive to that, because you can see there is a pretty heavy point of resistance here. Now, if we do, well, we are testing that right now. If we can get some sort of candle body closes above that here, especially on the 4-hour consecutively, then it does really, really line us up for a better sort of move to the upside here for this asset, okay? So yeah, overall, Render looking pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comment section of this asset. And if you are looking for an exchange to trade Render or get involved with this position, jump over to Blowfin, guys. It's an exchange that I've partnered up with, which I'm trying to find the actual link of it, but no, it's over here. Yeah, you can see Blowfin, I've partnered up with them, and you get some really, really good bonuses and discounts here, especially on trading fees and stuff like that. So go check them out. Links in the description. And also, they are a non-KYC exchange as well there, guys. So yeah, if you want to keep your money secret, that's the place to do it. All right, links are in the description for that. Now let's look at a price prediction for Render for the March highs, okay, because that is Render's all-time high, okay, and if we are looking at that from a sort of a target perspective, because obviously Bitcoin's all-time highing, AI is going to be a massive trend here, and to get to that all-time high for us, which is only in March here for Render, it's actually 131% to the upside. So when this thing starts to really rally, we will see basically everything just get trashed in terms of resistance, and all-time highs really smashing it there. So it's actually a really good investment if you want to make 2.3x here on your investment. You put in 100 grand, you're going to make 2,000. You're going to basically be walking away with 230,000. Okay, so it's a great investment here. It's very niched right now, and I do think that this asset has got some legs to run here. The key breakout points for us to be looking out for would be that current one that we're currently sat on for that 7%. Then after that, you can see from the all-time high, we've got a very strong resistance points to the downside here. Okay, if we can break that around this $6.71 area, then it's basically a moonshot to the upside there. We're obviously going to have a little bit of turbulence along the way. 11%, little pullback there. 23%, little pullback there. Another breaking scenario from this upward sloping parallel channel, breaking the daily volume weighted ATR band as well, and then sailing up to the 3-day. That's a 56% move, guys. So it's not something that it's not something that is unachievable, and I do think that we can actually see this happen here in the coming weeks, and maybe the coming weeks, maybe a month or so. Okay, it's looking very good from a bullish perspective. Let me know what you think in the comment section. That is gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now. I'll catch you in the next one.